Hello, Mrs. Wilson. It's me, Jane.
Hello, Jane. Nice to hear from you. I missed you so much, dear.
I missed you too. I actually wanted to invite you to my new house.
Oh, that's wonderful news. I'd love to come and visit.
We just moved last week, so everything is still new and a bit messy.
That's completely fine. Moving is always a busy time.
Yes, it has been quite tiring, but also very exciting for us.
I can imagine. A new home always brings new beginnings.
Exactly. And I really wanted you to be one of the first people to visit.
That means a lot to me, Jane. Thank you for thinking of me.
Of course, you are very special to us.
When would you like me to come?
How about this weekend? We can have tea together and talk.
That sounds perfect. I would love that.
Great. I'll send you the address and directions.
Thank you, dear. I'm really looking forward to seeing your new home.
And I'm looking forward to spending time with you again.
Me too, Jane. See you very soon.
See you, Mrs. Wilson. Take care. Welcome to my new home, Mrs. Wilson.
Oh, Jane, it's beautiful.
Thank you. Please come inside.
The living room is so bright and spacious.
Yes, we get a lot of sunlight here.
I can see you've decorated it nicely already.
I'm still working on it, but I'm happy you like it.
I love it. It feels warm and welcoming. Was the move difficult for you?
It was a little stressful, but we managed well.
I remember how busy moving can be.
Yes, packing everything took days.
Did the children adjust easily?
They were a bit sad at first.
That's understandable. They had many friends there.
Yes, but they are slowly getting used to this place.
I still remember the old street we lived on.
Me too. It was always so lively and full of life.
Every evening, you could hear children playing outside.
Yes, the laughter of the kids made the place feel so happy.
And the little park at the corner was always busy.
My children loved going there after school.
I often sat on the bench and watched everyone.
I remember that. You were always smiling and greeting people.
It made me feel connected to everyone.
That's what I loved most about our neighborhood. By the way, how is everyone else? I really miss our neighbors.
Oh, they all ask about you from time to time.
Really? That's so sweet. Tell me about them.
Well, Mr. Brown is doing well. He still works in his garden every morning.
He loved his plants.
Yes, his garden looks more beautiful than ever now. And Mrs. Davis recently became a grandmother.
Oh, wow, that's wonderful news. She must be so happy.
She is. She shows baby pictures to everyone.
What about the kids next door?
They miss Emma and John very much. They often ask about them.
Emma and John miss them too.
And your friend Anna still lives there.
Oh, I miss her a lot. We used to talk every day.
She misses you too and often talks about you.
Hearing all this makes me both happy and a little emotional.
I understand. Those were special times.
Yes, and those people made it even more special.
You may have moved, but your memories are still there.
And so are my friendships. I hope to visit everyone soon.
They would love to see you again.
I would love that too.
Do you remember the block party we had last year?
Of course. That was one of the best days in the neighborhood.
Everyone came together and brought so much food.
Yes, there were so many delicious dishes to try.
I still remember your homemade cake. It was amazing.
Thank you. I was happy that everyone liked it.
The music made the evening even more special.
Yes, and the children were dancing and laughing all night.
They looked so happy and free.
It was such a joyful atmosphere.
I remember Mr. Brown telling funny stories.
Oh, yes, everyone was laughing so much.
Even the quiet neighbors joined in the fun.
That's true. It brought everyone closer together.
We decorated the street with lights and balloons.
It looked so beautiful in the evening.
The lights made everything feel magical.
I took so many pictures that day.
Do you still have those photos?
Yes, I do. I look at them sometimes.
They must bring back lovely memories.
They really do. It was a perfect day.
I also remember we all sat together and talked for hours.
Yes, no one wanted the night to end.
It felt like we were one big happy family.
That's what made it so special.
We should have another gathering like that someday.
That would be wonderful. I would love that.
Maybe when you visit the old neighborhood again.
Yes, we can't plan something together.
Everyone would be so happy to see you again.
I would be happy to see them too.
Those moments are truly unforgettable.
Yes, they will always stay in our hearts.
So, how is your new neighborhood?
It's very peaceful and quiet.
That sounds nice.
The neighbors here are friendly too.
Have you met many of them?
Yes, a few came to welcome us.
That's a good sign.
Yes, I feel comfortable here already.
Do you like this place more than the old one?
It's different, but I like both.
What do you miss the most?
I miss the close community we had.
That's hard to replace.
Yes, but I'm hoping to build new friendships here.
I'm sure you will.
Thank you, that means a lot.
I'm so happy I visited you today.
I'm really glad you came.
Your new home is lovely.
Thank you, and your visit made it even better.
Don't forget to visit me too.
Of course I will come soon.
We will always stay in touch. Yes, no matter where we live.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please hit the like button and subscribe to Easy English with HK. Your support means a lot and helps us create more helpful videos for you.